G'day, I'm Josh from allspecialist.net. Today I have a first look at the Kogan 1.2 meter premium HDMI cable. Just got it delivered today and this is what it arrives in, just a cardboard sleeve basically. The cable features Ethernet, HDMI version 1.4 and 4K support. So it'll be interesting to put it through its paces. It comes wrapped in this bag, which I'll poke a hole through. As you can see, it's got nylon around the cable itself, so it's a not rubbery feel at all, it's more like a material. It's got gold plated connectors either side and got the caps on there to protect it. It claims to be 4K supported and 3D support, so it should make things a lot easier. Just a quick overview basically. I can't wait to hook it up and I'll have some further information for you, do some testing on it and also compare it to some of our cheaper cables that you can buy. So I am Josh from allspecialist.net. Just a first quick look at the Kogan 1.2 meter premium HDMI cable. Please give us a like on the video below, follow us on Facebook, and we're also on Google+. Thanks.